Good afternoon, Satvika.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
How are you?
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, ma'am. I'm good. How about you?
I'm also good. So, Satvika, we are to begin with the from the basics.
Yeah, okay.
Yes, you are supposed to learn it from the basics, or you know a little about French. Just tell
I know
little bit about it. Like, what all do you know? Can I please know?
like names of few general thing like pencil and all.
Okay, few objects. Objects in French, you know, and
Number counting I know.
okay, numbers till counting till which number?
30.
40.
30, 30.
30. All right. And okay, let's just begin with a little revision today. The revision as in, let's take up the first lesson as articles. Okay. You know the difference between indefinite articles and definite articles?
Hmm.
Okay, what is it? Tell me.
Though I know like definite articles is for a particular thing and indefinite is like
Indefinite, we are talking in general, nothing specific. So in French also, we have indefinite articles which are known as article indéfini. Okay, article indéfini and article défini. First, we are going to talk about article indéfini. So how do we write it? Les articles indéfinis. Okay, les articles indéfinis, which means the indefinite
indefinite
articles.
articles.
Okay, indefinite articles. Now, articles is what here? It is noun here. And indefinite is what? The adjective. So first rule that we get to learn here is, in most of the cases, we can just say in 90% of the cases in French, we place the adjective after the noun. Like in English, we always place the adjective before the noun, but in French, it is not so. We place it after the noun. So that is why we say les articles indéfinis. Okay, first thing that we have learned today is this. Now, if we want to talk about something, okay, French is divided gender wise. Like we have Hindi language, everything has a gender. In French, similar way, we have genders for each and everything. So what do we say? Let's divide it into masculine, feminine, and then comes plural of everything. Okay, masculine plural, feminine plural. Now if I want to say a pen, okay, a pen in French is called, what is it called?
Or livre. Sorry, livre is that book. Sorry.
Pen
Or
is
stilo.
stilo. So what am I going to use? Because stilo is
UN.
masculine gender, I'm going to use before it. Stilo. Correct? Stilo. Suppose I'm talking about eraser. What is an eraser called?
Gom.
Gom. Perfect. So,
Yun gom.
Yun gom. Very nice. Yun gom. This is the difference between masculine indefinite article and feminine indefinite article.
Like I get confused mainly. Matlab kafi kuch I know, but I get confused like which one is male, which one is female. So how do we get
That
to know?
is, see beta, wo to everyone will get confused because we are not learning French from the beginning, right? It is not our mother tongue. We can say that.
Mother.
Yes. So that is why we have to learn it. I still have to go across, go through a lot of things to see whether it is masculine or feminine. Because it is not my language. We are not in touch with it, right? So we have to learn. Till date, I have to see for a few things what gender it is. Now, what is the plural of What is? Okay. If anything, suppose I am talking about pens. Now, previously I spoke about one pen, but now I want to talk about pens. Stilo. So what will I write? I'm going to write de stilo. Okay. De stilo. De stands for indefinite number. Like just in general way, if I say there are pens, there are pens. So Ilya de stilo. I'm going to say Ilya de stilo. Although it doesn't appear, it doesn't exist in the sentence, but in French, I have to put it. This is the rule. Then, if I talk about gomme in plural, what it is going to be? Des gommes. Ilya des gommes. Okay, there are erasers. Now, whether my object is in masculine or it is in feminine, the plural indefinite article is same for both. Here it was different in singular form, but in plural it is going to be the same. Okay. Now I am giving you a few sentences to frame. Like you said, you know a few objects. So I want you to frame sentences writing. What all objects do you know? Mostly stationary objects you're aware of?
Yeah, mostly like all
Okay.
stationery only.
Come on. Now you are going to write, this is a book.
Ilya livre.
No. This is a book is not Ilya.
Okay, yeah, that.
What is this is?
Say.
Yes. And this is say. What are we going to put for a? Not on. On in French is en. This is on. An is on. Okay. Un is un. C'est un livre. Clear? Now, next sentence, this one I have helped you out, but the next one I'll not help you out. First do it. If you make a mistake, I'm going to tell you what is wrong in it. This is a book. That is the first sentence. Second comes, these are books. Third sentence is, this is a chair. This is a class.
These are a song.
These are is ce sont. Ce sont. C-E-S-O-N-T. Okay, ce sont.
Ce sont livres, livre and S. So it is pronounced as livre plural.
Which one? These are books.
Books mein livre plural.
Yes, live in plural. And what is the sentence? What did you say?
Ce sont livre plural.
This is what you're making mistake here. You
Ce
are
sont
saying,
des.
yes,
Ce sont
it
des.
should be ce sont they live.
Des livres.
I told you, although it doesn't exist in the sentence, but in French, we are supposed to put it.
Use it.
Ce sont they live. Are you writing it in your copy? You have to write each and everything and you have to send the picture to me. Okay, this is how I'll be ensured that you are working on whatever I'm giving you.
just masculine. We mainly did all this also just being to do a ill.
Yes, we are going to revise it, beta. We are going to come across all of it. Just do these 5 sentences first and then send it to me. And write down the heading, les articles indéfinis.
Indefinite. I have to write the question also.
Yes, beta. The question is just translate in French.
Books. Class, I don't know.
Class is class only, and class is feminine gender. We only add E in the end to class. That is the French translation of class.
And how do we pronounce it?
Class, une class.
Okay. Yep, done.
The 5th sentence also, these are girls on the top.
Just background going. So, girls will be
You don't know what girls are? What are girls in French? Fille. Okay. No problem. It's called fille. Filles.
I literally know it. Yep. Done.
Okay, done. Click a picture and send it to me.
WhatsApp पे.
Yes, beta, WhatsApp.
Can I just message you and you like you can just message me on this number. I don't even.
The number on which I shared the link. What
No,
is
I'll tell you my number.
Okay, tell me.
720.
Wait, beta, wait. Let me save. 720
466
4666
725. This one is my WhatsApp number.
So from tomorrow, am I supposed to send you the link here?
Yeah. From tomorrow or from Monday, no.
Yes, on Monday.
Yeah, I just received it.
Perfect, beta. Now let's move on to the next part. I'm writing a few objects on the board, which you have to write for your further knowledge as to which object is masculine and which is feminine.
I have to write this, no?
Yes. Une boutique en café en chocolat en cinéma une crème en fil. Un hôtel HOTEL, un hôtel en menu en métro en parfum en restaurant une
Most of the things are masculine only.
I'm
I'm saying,
yes.
I'm saying most of the things are masculine only.
Most of them. Okay, on the top here I'm writing un thé and un taxi.
Which is the first one on the top or above taxi?
Un thé, THE with accent aigu. Accent aigu. Un thé.
Oh, taxi. Yep, done.
Done. Now I want you to pronounce all these words.
Boutique.
No, no, beta, no. Yun boutique.
Sorry, yeah, Yun Boutique. Yun Boutique. Cafe. Chocolate.
Chocolat.
Chocolat.
Yes.
Cinema. Cinema. Menu. I don't know. No.
Yun crème. Yun crème.
No. Yep. Yeah, Yun crème. Film.
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 Yes.
Hotel.
No. And notel. And notel. Okay, see. One more thing, one more rule that we are going to learn here is H in French is treated as a vowel. Okay. So whenever we have a word starting with a vowel, the consonant right behind it, the sound of it is carried forward with the next vowel. So that is why when we read it as notel. H is silent and no tel. Okay.
Okay. And hotel.
Very nice.
Hotel. And hotel. And if we only have to read hotel, then hotel.
Hotel, yes.
Okay, and hotel and menu. Metro.
Metro, yes.
Perfume.
Very good.
Restaurant. I don't know. Restaurant.
Okay. Restaurant. Restaurant. I told you AN sound is on here.
So, restaurant.
Restaurant.
Okay. Restaurant. Then Yun salad.
Yes. Yun salad.
Yun salad. Yun the.
Yun taxi. No. The.
Oh, yeah. The. Taxi.
Taxi. Very nice. Now you have to practice these words very well, the pronunciation of all of them, because tomorrow I'm going to ask you the pronunciation. And using all these words, you'll be given a few sentences to frame. Whatever we'll study, I'm going to put it into practice the other day. Okay? So that is on Monday. I'll be taking this thing, the revision of this part on Monday. Okay?
Yep.
Then, coming on to the next thing, let's now study this was indefinite article, right? Now let's talk about the definite article. Similarly, like indefinite article, for definite article, we have masculine, feminine, and plural. Okay? The masculine definite article is lo. What is the pronunciation? Pronounce it.
Lo.
The feminine pronunciation is la. Lo, la,
le.
Perfect. Lo, la, and le. Now, if I want to say the pen, le stilo. If I want to say the eraser, la gone. And similarly, le stilo and le gone.
We did that table also. Tota, te, mama, me, sasa, se, and
yes. So you've done all this in this class. What do you say? Activity class. Yes?
Yeah.
Okay. One more thing that we have to take care of is any noun starting with a vowel. Any noun starting with a vowel, if it is singular, what we do? We put L apostrophe, like l'avion. It is starting with A. Avion is an aeroplane. So we are going to put l'avion. If I want to talk about a man, I'm going to write l'homme. L apostrophe homme. Homme stands for man. L'avion, l'homme. Let's say l'école. What is école? École is school. So we are going to write l'école. This is, this is our definite article. Les articles définis. Write down the heading. Les articles définis.
Article
Définis.
मत कर बदतमीजी। हाँ मम्मी गाड़ी पे चलाओ कुछ निकलना भी है। हाँ article défini male then female and जो चुप रहो ले ला ले
La, le. Okay. La and le. And if we are talking about these nouns starting with a vowel, but they are in plural. Nouns starting with vowel, but they are in plural. So in the same way, we are going to write les before them. Les hommes, les avions, les écoles. Okay? And what we are doing here, just pay attention, look at the board here. We are carrying forward the sound of this S along with the following word. That is why we don't say les hommes. Here we are saying les gommes. We are
so
not
we'll say les hommes.
Les hommes, the sound. We give
Les
the
hommes.
sound in between. Z sound.
Okay.
Not les hommes, les hommes. Les avions. Les écoles. Okay, clear? Done with it? Now let me give you a few, okay, the words that you have, better the words that you have written in indefinite articles. Just write all those words in definite articles and show it to me.
Right now?
Of course, right now. When you want to write them?
Yeah, just a second. इसको लेके जाओ यार, इसको क्या है ये? चुप shut up, shut up, shut up.
Satvika, mute yourself.
ये भी ले आओ यार, ये भी ले आओ प्लीज। ओए बुक सरो। मम्मी देख लो यार।
Satvika, you mute yourself and fight.
Yes.
I was saying you should at least mute yourself and then fight. I tried to mute you, but you weren't being muted. Okay. Now, got it? What you're supposed to do? Are you tired? Are you tired?
No.
No? Then you can do it. Hannah? Just do it, click a picture and then send it to me. I think this that will be all for today. But put the heading, please put the heading, les articles définis. What is the spelling of article? Les articles, and we also put accent grave here on this D, oh sorry, on this E. Les articles définis. Le, la, les, and L apostrophe. And then do that exercise.
Yes, ma'am. That is why I told you to come immediately. Why didn't you? Yes, ma'am. In the small wala L and then apostrophe.
Are you asking something?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, I'm done.
Done? Send me the picture.
क्या हुआ मेरे को यार 4:30 पे पहुंचना है उनका अगर 10-20 मिनट है
Okay, perfect.
Yes.
Okay, now this is the frame a sentence. This is the hotel. This is the hotel. I want you to frame this sentence. This is the hotel. can write in the chat box also. Very nice. Very good. Very good. Perfect. So let's end the class here. This is all for today, beta. Let's end it here.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you. Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye.